to understand clearly what is the scientific explanation is, I will make brief example. So look to that. Only those explanations that can be repeatedly verified by observation or experiment are considered scientific. So we know astronomy observes planets, moons, stars, and sun, and so this kind of things. Let's look to the psychology. It is the scientific study of human behavior, and we also have the astrology, which will studies astronomy and psychology. It learns planets, moon, stars, sun, and personality behavior. So we know that astronomy is the scientific class and psychology is the scientific class because it has the scientific study of human behavior. How about the astrology? Is it the scientific class or it is not scientific? Uh, the purpose of astronomy is to explain and predict things about universe, stars, and planets. The purpose of astrology is to understand planets, moon, stars, and sun to make the predictions about personality and human behavior. So the explanations of the astronomy and psychology are experimentally tested, but astrology is not scientific class because when was the last time you heard about astrologers carrying out controlled experiment before they made the predictions? When you read newspapers or when you are on the magazines, you will see that kind of events like Aquarius should marry with a Libra, but not a Capricorn. Where is the experimental evidence for that? What do they actually study a group of people to see if there is any validity in that prediction? They are actually saying there is a connection between position of star planets and how people behave. I don't know is there a connection between the position of the stars and the planets and how people behave or not. All that I know is that nobody is ever done a controlled experiment to see if it's correct or not. They could do very simple experiment to show scientifically astrology works or doesn't. For example, find 10 couples which are astrologically good matched and find another 10 couples which are astrologically terrible matched. And then make a paper and ask them questions. If you find 10 good matched couples indicate that they are much happier than those terrible 10 couples, at least that will provide beginnings of some scientific evidence of validity about their predictions. Would that be difficult to do? If no, why astrologers don't do that? The only thing that I can guess is they don't even believe for themselves.